Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite members to your WhatsApp community via QR code. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the communities button down below, select your group, then you should tap on the invite button in the middle of the screen, and here you have the QR code option, which is the fourth button. Tap on it and here you have the WhatsApp community QR code. As you can see, it is private, so if it is shared with someone, they can scan it with their WhatsApp camera to join this community. If you would like to reset the QR code, tap on the reset button down below and it will be reset. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.